A Ford Mustang can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a time of 5.6 seconds. A Mini Cooper cannot do that, but it can turn in a very small circle 34 feet in diameter. How fast would you need to drive the Mini Cooper in this tight circle to match the magnitude of the Mustang's acceleration? Alright, so we have a Ford Mustang, represented by this dot here, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour, accelerating along the way in a time span of 5.6 seconds. What is that acceleration? First, we need to convert miles per hour into meters per second. So we have 60 miles per hour. 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. When we solve for this, we end up with a value of 60 times 8.609 times 1,000 divided by 60 of 26.816 meters per second. So our acceleration is our change in velocity, which is velocity final minus the velocity initial, over our change in time. Our velocity final is 60 miles per hour or 26.816 meters per second. Same thing, different units. Our velocity initial is 0 miles per hour or 0 meters per second. So we have 26.816 meters per second over our time it took, 5.6 seconds. So that amounts to an acceleration of 4.8, approximately 4.8 meters per second square for the Ford Mustang to accelerate from 0 to 60. The acceleration of the Ford Mustang was 4.8 meters per second square. Now we are asked that a Mini Cooper cannot do that. However, it can turn in a small circle, and when something turns in a small circle, even though it's not changing its speed, it's still accelerating because of the fact that it's going in a circle. And so the formula for centripetal acceleration is A equals to V squared over R, which is the radius of the circle that it's going around in. We are asked to find how fast would you need to drive the Mini Cooper in this tight circle to match the magnitude of the Mustang's acceleration. So we use the Mustang's acceleration in this formula, and we're asked to find out what V is. So plugging this in here, we have 4.8 times R. R is given to us as 34 feet in diameter. So the radius would be 17 feet, which is 34 divided by 2. So this is in feet. We need to convert into meters. 1 meter is 3.28 feet. Therefore 17 feet would be 17 divided by 3.28, which gives us a radius of 5.18 meters. So our V would be the square root of this value, which is approximately 4.98 meters per second, which converts to approximately 12 miles per hour. So you would have to drive the Mini Cooper approximately 12 miles per hour in a circle